What's up guys, Shannon from SP88. I'm just doing some parking sensors on the Fiat 500 electric, and maybe you guys might want to know where the reverse light wire is. If you're wiring up some parking sensors like me, I offer a parking sensor installation service in London, and I'm happy to make videos to show you guys. That's the business over there, is SP88. Now with this car, I drilled my holes to fit my parking sensors. I first had a line of symmetry, and I think it was like 7 or 8 inches out from the line to there, and then from there to there. That's how I made it. And I measured from this line down to there to get a height all the way down to keep it equal all the way across. The next thing was to fish the wires into the car. I've got other videos showing how I do it, but I use this rod there and I go from hole to hole and then into the car. So this car, I made a hole and I'm just going to seal it with silicone. If you don't want to make your own hole, you can strip and come through this grommet at the top here with a lot of other wires, or you can take these two bolts out and come through behind this rear lamp and go through a rubber grommet and then get into here. That's your options. So in terms of reversing camera or reverse parking sensors, you need to fit them, you need to power them with a reversing light feed, and like you can see, the reverse lights are down there on this car. So I didn't want to breach wires outside of the car because then it'd be risking water damage to the wiring. Just in here, if I can zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm clamped onto. You can see that thick green wire, and I'm plugged into a thin green wire. My white cap is wrapped around it, and that green wire there is the one for the reverse lights. So at the moment I've got 10.2 volts and the car's in reverse. Put it back into park, that power supply will be gone. Now with these cars, they're electric, so they won't let you put it into reverse if the door is open. So I had to close this latch here. That's how you open the door on these cars. It's getting quite nice now, fancy. And I also wanted to be safe, I blocked the brake as well so that the car couldn't roll away. But now that the reverse is up, you can see there's no voltage there anymore. And guys, that's the reverse light feed. I'll finish the job and I'll show you what it looks like when it's complete. I like this feature, that's quite nice. For an indicator. As it got dark, it's only 4:30. But these are the sensors, unpainted, and this is the inside of the boot after the job's done. I always like getting the camera out because it can highlight little mistakes, you know, with the trim. Okay, now let's test it against my chair. Close that door, put some stuff back in the boot. Cool. So you not see my chair? Just gotta check. It's beeping slowly. I don't want to have any problems. Don't know why I didn't pick up the damn chair. Messing up the video. Guys, don't buy parking sensors, they don't work with shit. I'm joking, I don't know what's going on, but what's happening? Get this stuff right there for the minute. And try again. What can we hit by accident? That's the question. What can I reverse up against? Not the chair. I don't know why. But parking sensors aren't a foolproof system, so it's very good when it's coupled with a reversing camera. Okay, so a reversing camera makes life a lot better. There's a pot there. That looks like I'm about to hit something. Let's see how much space we got. As soon as you open the door, it takes it out of park. Got loads of space. That mirror's crazy. Right, look at that mirror. That looks crazy. You definitely need parking sensors on this car. If you look back, it looks a bit better. This mirror is, don't like it. So when you open the door, it goes back into park if you forget. And yeah, that's what we've got. So cool. Call the customer. Jobs are done. Jobs are good.